Hey kids, welcome to the Monterey Bay Aquarium. We hope you've been enjoying your visit so far. But what if the jellyfish, stingrays, and even seals that you saw today weren't around? This is kind of like what's happening in their natural habitats that are changing size or location. What's going on at their homes? Well, it has to do partially with the bottom of the food web. The ocean has important plants called phytoplankton. They're the food of the food of the food for really cool animals like sharks. So when the type of phytoplankton changes because it can or can't grow well at certain temperatures, the animals that depend on them can change too. Let's do an experiment. Remember, safety first. Let's pretend that the yeast going into each of these bottles is like phytoplankton in the ocean. In the ideal bottle, that's like phytoplankton at its ideal temperature in the ocean. That's going to get warm water. In the global warming bottle, that's like phytoplankton growing after the temperatures have already risen. That one's going to get boiling water. So let's see how they do. How do you think they did? It looks like the global warming bottle didn't do too great. Yeast just isn't used to working as well at that temperature. The ideal temperature bottle is alive and well. This is where yeast is most comfortable. Now, phytoplankton are actually way more complicated than that, and are affected by things other than temperature, like interactions with other species, food availability, and more. Some phytoplankton can even move around or adapt as oceans get warmer. Still, climate change shifting ocean temperatures away from what's ideal will definitely impact phytoplankton and the animals that eat them. Think about it like this. If a sardines' favorite phytoplankton food isn't around, there isn't going to be a lot of sardines. So next time you do your favorite quarantine hobby of following sourdough recipes on TikTok, think about how you're not eating any bread if the yeast doesn't work. So you're kind of like a sardine. Researchers and fisheries can work together. Sustainable fishing for as long as we can and preserving ecology actually go hand in hand. Hope that you kids enjoyed your visit, and we can't wait to see you again.